Карусель, карусель.
It's December, the holidays are around the corner, and you already know it. I have Nürburgring license merged for you with additional 10% off if you use code Misha Xmas25 on checkout on Nürburgring.com. From holiday sweaters with Nürburgring design in merino wool in different colors, Nürburgring books that I have helped to co-write, socks, and also, as of recent, we have calendars for 2026. The first couple of hundred of them come signed by me, and some of them contain also very interesting and exclusive giveaway items, such a taxi lab with, not with this car, but another one that we will be unveiling soon for next year, and maybe the Civic, maybe the Mustang, who knows, and a couple of other things. Anyway, head over to Nürburgring.com and now enjoy the rest of the video. So, M2 with some mods.
With mods, Eisenman exhaust, downpipe, ECU unlock, 600 to the wheels, track map, and everything else is stuck.
KW suspension.
KW V3, yeah.
Yes.
Okay. KW
Yeah.
V3,
Yeah. I love the exhaust. It looks good. Sounds good. We are on PS4S tires, factory 4Ss with the star marking, so it's actually quite good. They're not the freshest, but they're quite alright. And as you can hear by the brakes, we already did a lap. And yeah, you can definitely use a bit grippier tires and slightly better alignment. But for the rest, it was good fun. I mean, challenge to drive it with the lack of grip on the rear. But good fun, good fun. So, thanks a lot. See you next time.
Спасибо. Yep.
Да, давай. stickier tires.
It's against sticky tires?
Yeah.
But those are the PS4Ss from the factory, so yeah.
Yeah, you need Cup 2s or CRS.
What's your overall opinion on the car?
Power is linear, it's quite alright. But yeah, tires need more grip.
Yeah.
And could be also the alignment factor as well,
Okay.
maybe. So get the track alignment together with stickier tires, and then you should be much more faster. It is. Yeah, because I couldn't put the power down in the corners. It's was just not confident. So
Okay.
so it could be completely different story. So it was not bad, but not great either. Not great, not terrible.
Okay. Just like Chernobyl. Nice.
Exactly.